All right, so I've moved ahead a little bit. I'm not in the trade. I'm considering getting into. Hold on. We've moved ahead. I keep getting interrupted. um. Well, anyway, so I'm out of the trade. I'm thinking about getting in due to this. This is a higher swing, but I remember I would take a really small position, so because if it goes against me, I don't want to take a big loss. Okay, so I always start small. If if the trade's going in my direction, a good five, like if it moves like 5, 6, 7, if I see it, it depends on how it's moving, the rate or whatever. I would double, and then if it goes beyond the 10 into about 13 or 12, like somewhere in there, if it's moving quickly, I double quickly. It depends on just how it's acting. It's hard to explain, without somebody seeing every little thing and what you're doing. But I would take this, and then we're doing these trades not based on the harmonics, okay? Which I use the harmonic. See, like for example, here would have shorted it, of course, because of this appearing. But I'm just trying to show you can make money if you only use the line. I'm not looking at any candles. Candles can give you a lot of head fakes. Uh, but whatever. Okay, so I would get in here because I would try to look for the point in the line where it's reached its peak or its bottom. Okay, it looks like it did maybe, and then this is even lower from here. So I'd absolutely want to get in there. It goes against me, I'm out. Okay, it moved up 10, 10, 14. So about 7, 8, I would be in it. I would double my position. I would move my idea in my mind, keep my hand on the trigger. I wouldn't really put a stop loss. I would just put my hand on the trigger and see if it goes against where I doubled it. Okay. Keeping losses small. If it goes against me, I'd be out. I would get out. I would get out and see if it pulls back, or we'll see what's going on. Right. So this right here, hold on. The way it acted was, watch this. This one moving so fast. Let me slow it down. Here, I've been out right there. I would have gotten out right there. This trade. Now, I would see right here, looks like a head and shoulders to me. So I would take this trade, small position. I see if it goes past the previous. No, actually it took off. So as it was taking off, of course, if I'm in it and I see it hit 10, I'm doubling the position. And if it hits the green, I'll triple position. Because it may bounce back and then I'll be out of. See, it could go. If it hits green, then yeah, then you're good. It's not. At this point, I'd probably would just close the trade, at profit right there. I'd get out because I'd like to see more movement, and I would actually be out of it and just wait for maybe a top. Yeah, see, just got out of it. Good thing I got out. This has just been, seeing all this, imagine seeing this, okay, adding that harmonic, I would have gotten into the harmonic, saw that it's not breaching it, and would short. You would be, all of this would just be, you could be in there for this duration, but all of this would be in profit. If with the help of the harmonic, it makes this so much more unbelievable. Oh, there's a double, there's a shoulder, there's a head and shoulder. Yep, I would get in right here. Tight stop loss, very light, very light, very light, not heavy, because it go against you. All right, this is still going up. It go up, hit the green, and probably drop like it did before, which is what I would be expecting. Oh, and that's a double top right there too. Still good. We're up. hit me right here, back to 0, I would cut out and just wait, see what happens next. Yeah, odd NG3. Okay, hit green. When this thing hits green, let's see if it would have been a pullback. I would have been in it. I don't know if it posts, probably nothing. But I'd be in it. I'd be in it. If it goes back to red, I'd get out. It's red. I'm out. Back in. Back in red. I'm out. Oh, that's like another double top. So we would short it. I mean, like head and shoulders. Short it. But it's hitting. Okay. And so I would have been another. I've just seen a good spike. 25. Maybe get out between here and about there. Red spot, head and shoulders spike. You make yourself a good 25, and then you would have increased at 10, and then you would have made another. It's good. It's so great. It's good. You don't need much movement. So I'd be out of it just watching. I mean, if it goes green, I'd have to get in. Green, and then it just goes back. It goes back to red. You got to get out. Remember, it's small because you don't know which way it's going. Well, I just happen to be out at this point. Double bottom. Possible. I mean, I'd really like. I love this when it gets away from it, not so close. But if it goes green, yeah, I get it. If it's so close, I would wait till green. Green, and so we got in when it passed green. Probably caught it somewhere in here. Would I be in a small, just a small trade, or would I increase my position size? Hold on, can't see. I would increase position size here, there, and then but I would move my stop loss up about the halfway point, some like right here. If it goes beyond this, I'm out of it. I'm out of the trade. It keeps my losses small. But I can get a runner if it's a runner. Didn't hit it. It did, and then it didn't. So it would have been, I don't know what would have happened. See. Oh, if I'm in it, oh yeah, because I got the 20 already. Yeah, I got the 20. 20, 25. That's all I'm doing. 10, 20, boom, and then out. So I would have already, it would have reached my point. Oh, and here, I would also match in here, remember? You said it probably would repeat, do the same thing. So I would just use this to just keep it conservative. So it's best to stay conservative, especially on the hour time frame. Now, if you're dealing with a larger time frame, we could do that. It's the same method. So it did my 20, boom, out, trade. And plus, when I see the hook, I told you about the hook, I see a hook, I just get scared. So good thing I got out because it did drop, right? It dropped. Hold up. Wait, oh, this is today. So, all right, so we're up to today. So that's basically without using the harmonic. So maybe on the next one, we'll talk about using the harmonic. Makes this right here become so much easier to trade. It's tough doing it without it, but you can make money. If you follow the way I'm trading it, the way I'm increasing my lot size and decreasing my lot size and watching it and keeping my stop loss tight. Know that there's always more opportunity later. Don't worry about, if it goes to 1 pip, get out, make 1 pip. Okay. You see what I'm saying? I mean, get those runners. You don't want to be, oh, it's 1 pip, will it go up? No. Because they're going to losses and then you got losses. Okay. So just keep your losses. If it goes up to 10, goes down to 5, get out. I mean, you want a runner. This way you'll never sit on losses. So that's my lesson for today. I'll have it in 2 parts. So I see you. We gotta get ready to go. I gotta go pick up my son, and I will see you guys next week. Oh, tomorrow, Saturday, maybe, or something like that. I'll do probably a market wrap up for the euro dollar. All right, peace.